Good morning. Yesterday I kind of showed at night I began to do this. I designed, well, not design, because this is not like I create these. I draw these. I hope it's a good size, and I did the option of a dress option too. I'm trying to do something like a toy for my dog that I would put in his stocking, and I hope it's a good size. It will be a very small, and one will be also for decoration. So the one that will be for decoration I will do with more delicate things. The one that is for him, not so delicate, because he will really destroy this. So I will keep these that I will put on my planner if the size is good. If not, then I will figure out if I need to make bigger. But first I will cut these two pieces. I will put more here because I think this fabric is a very hard fabric that I got many years ago. It's so thick, it's almost like a canvas, and it's cotton, but I couldn't do anything with these. All that I have done is decorations and stuff like that. So I will cut this and begin to take care of the decoration of these ones. Yes, I did. Well, I've been working on these gingerbread toys. I still have this one to do. I don't know if I will do it. And so in the back side, I want to see how it looks. And if it looks okay, maybe we'll finish doing also that one today. It's a really slow project because it's so tiny. I should have made bigger, but I like because if you want to do like a garland, it would be a cute garland with all the toys. I've been sitting for too long and I'm beginning to feel a little of the pain, so it's time to go and get part of my laundry going. Yes, I've been watching also all the Vlogmas. So many people has Vlogmas and I love to watch. So I'll be back. Better I go to do the laundry. Today is one of those days that I have a lot of laundry to do. I am trying to get also extra stuff washed, you know, because I have my blanket, I have more towels, sheets, and I was planning to do my pillows. I don't know if I will have time for pillows today. Maybe I will try it tomorrow. Okay, let's get these. Oh, and look at my plants. They're doing good. So I think this will be a success for doing some seedlings here. I hope so. Maybe I will have to open a little more, but still not a lot of light. And this beauty is still going good. I hope so. Let me put more. The color is so vibrant. Sounds like bee spray, so I want this fern continue being happy. Maybe my mom said that I should not worry about change pot if it survives, but they are in this way. The only part that is not so great is this, but it's because it was against the wall and was not letting the fern get really good. So we will see if it gets better. Okay, let's go to continue. I need a coffee. And I have this practically done, and I will be honest, it's like in this size it's so hard to do. And also the little parts that I put here, trying to do the vest, it kind of falling apart. I'm using fabrics that I have leftovers, so if I do another of these, I honestly will do a bigger one. So I'm not going to do this one, and it goes to my scrap. If you're wondering what happened with all this scrap, give me a sec. I keep every scrap with me, and I use this scrap for when I make toys or anything for my dog or decoration. I like more the scraps for the dog's toys because for some reason he doesn't break the toys that has fabric scrap. Let me show you one that I did long time ago. Okay, this is the toy. It's a doggy. He has at least a year. He loves, and he has not even removed the bottoms that are the he wants his toy. He's a schnauzer dog, so for some reason he doesn't break that toy. He loves to keep it with him, and he uses sometimes as a pillow. Anyway, so that's what I do with the scraps. No, everything goes on waste. Oh, and sometimes things like this. This one is dirty, but you can do like a little napkins or plate mats, everything. So don't throw away your scraps. They are good for something. I will finish that little decoration. And now I know toys for my dog has to be bigger. Oh, you can do these kind of things also, just to keep. So this is supposed to be a snail. I don't know if it looks. but you can use like whatever scraps you have to make this kind of thing. There are magazines for this. I actually ordered yesterday some other magazines. I will share with you all these magazines tomorrow, so it's not few today and few tomorrow. Let me finish this and I'll be back.